No point in pedaling, bro. Look at this. Going 31, bro. No point in pedaling. God. Oh, I knew I had to connect somewhere else, bro. What the f? Is it still recording? It should be. Whoa, whoa, it says 4,000 watts. So it can push. Just about a 4,000 watt peak, I believe. This slide doesn't detect me, man. That's some. There we go. Hey, there. Buddy, let's go. Got one more lock. On the throttle. We are heavy, we are fully loaded pretty much. We're gonna go easy on the throttle, you know. To the front. Alright, let's see if this Jeep is not gonna let us go, bro. You know, they passed that red.
Hey Jammers, I'm coming at you from post-production after contacting the manufacturer of the hub motor kit. And from NB Power has confirmed it has a 3,000 watt peak and the display was inaccurate. Stay jamming, y'all.